Hello, everyone.
My name is Khadijah Lashaun, also known as Your Black Guidance Counselor on Instagram and YouTube. I'm here to inspire you to be your higher self, as well as to guide you to any resources that you may need on your journey. Welcome to the Black Creator Podcast. Today's episode is a special segment of my show called Lyft Confessionals. I have been a rideshare driver for over 3 years now for both Lyft and Uber. This segment is an opportunity for you to hear firsthand what it's like being a rideshare driver and to help you understand things from the driver's perspective. I hope you enjoy.
Good morning, y'all. It's Khadijah again. I wanted to come to you guys today to talk about something quickly that I feel like a lot of people don't realize how much value there is. So, literally, people don't realize, like, you could meet somebody walking down the street. You can meet somebody walking down the street who can give you knowledge that you never had before. And the reason why this is so important is just because, we have to realize that, like, we live in a world where, like, everybody's trying to get ahead. Everybody's trying to get something. Everybody has some type of motivation, some type of motive behind their behaviors. And it's important to realize that, like, we don't have to be that person who's not willing to pass on knowledge. We don't have to be that person who is holding back what I know to keep you from getting ahead. We can be that person to be like, hey, oh, you're about to pursue this. Oh, you're about to, for example, you're about to start up on Facebook ads. Okay. I know exactly who you can go to get some advice on how to run your ads. I know exactly who you can go to who has a course that is legit, can help you out with these ads. Instead of me being that person being like, oh, I'm not going to tell them nothing, I mean, sometimes I do hold back my advice if I don't feel like the person is going to value it. But if someone is nice enough to strike up the conversation with me, I have no idea where that conversation will lead. I have no idea if me giving them some good information might lead to a connection later, or it might lead to potential business moves later, or it could just be a good conversation that made my day. I might just find out something new that I never knew before. That's honestly why I love doing Lyft so much, is because I come across so many different types of people every day. And when I'm on a high vibration, I don't know if you guys know about that, but if I'm in a good mood, okay, if I'm in a good mood, I'm bumping some really good music for people to like, people will, strike up a conversation with me, and I might walk away knowing something that I never knew before, or a different way to make money that I never knew before. So it's very important, if you are considering entrepreneurship and you're considering, following your dreams and stuff like that, that you open yourself up to even small instances of meeting people. We can get stuck in our shell and not want to interact with other people. But at the end of the day, you have to realize, I know something that you don't know. You know something that I don't know. So it's up to us to talk and just actually have a good, genuine conversation and see where it goes. You never know what conversation could lead anywhere. Hey, somebody could be like, hey, how you doing? I'm doing good. I'm having a great day, X, Y, and Z. Okay. That's really good. Do you want $1,000? Do you want $1,000? I have $1,000 right here. Here you go. Good job. Thank you for the conversation. I'm not saying every situation is going to lead to like money. I'm just saying be open and be nice. Be nice to others. You never know how things are going to go. I can give you an example. Okay. So, I met this guy, driving Lyft. He was a cool guy. He was an older dude. And he basically, we started talking and everything. He was just telling me how, how he used to do Lyft, and that's how he used to make money and everything, and how like he just fell off from it because he found other things to do, to make money. And, he wound up telling me something that I now tell people all the time because I didn't know it before I met him. But, if you didn't know, in Baltimore City, the city will actually give you a license. If you file with the city of Baltimore and you have a pickup truck, they'll actually give you a license to plow snow. and lay down salt and stuff like that. Like prepare for storms, especially in the wintertime, which can be a great side hustle, because if you do it by yourself, I believe he said if you do it by yourself, they pay you up to $32 an hour. $32 an hour. That's not with a college degree. That's not with any certifications. That's just you applying for a license and you have a pickup truck. $32 an hour. If you get a person to do it with you, someone to sit in the car with you, they get paid $17 an hour. So imagine if that's a couple working right then and there, a couple working together. They're making over $40 an hour together. Me doing Lyft, I make around, I'm not gonna be specific, but I make a good amount of money, so I definitely feel like that's something that I never knew before, even though that's not necessarily something that I'm going to pursue. Like, I'm not going to be a snowplower. That's just not something I see myself doing. I can still let somebody else know, hey, if you're thinking about side hustles in the winter, here's one that you can check out, and it's realizing that, like, add value. Why not? Why not add value to others? Why do you have to just take? Like, oh, what is everything that you know? Like, tell me all these different things. Tell me all these ways I can make money. Give me something. Give me something in return. That's something I have to get you guys to realize, is that, networking is not just about take. Oh, come buy this from me. Come buy this from me. Come buy me this from me. It's about learning from others. It's about being willing to be nice enough to have a conversation with someone and see where it goes. That's my overall message to you guys today. Don't be afraid to meet new people. You never know what somebody new can bring to the table that you never knew before. Okay? So that is my message to you guys to get today. If you guys found any value in this message, please save this message, okay? Follow this page, Shop It's a Curl Thing. That is my brand. That is something I've been working hard to build over the past year, and we have big things coming soon. So follow this page, and definitely add value to others. Always add value before you take, because you never know what might come from you adding that value. You might help the next person get a leg up in the game, and that's not a bad thing. That is not a bad thing. Okay. All right, you guys have a great day today. I'm about to start my work, and I'll see you later.